Name's Anthony Hamill from the UK, Winsford, Cheshire. Chose Antlara because a couple of my friends have been here and had no problems at all. Really happy. Been on the phone all the time to me, any problems at all. I've had crowns for the bottom jaw and removable denture for the top, but decided to come back and have implants. Minimal pain, just my gums really from deep clean, that is it, but copable. The staff here are lovely, helped any questions I've asked, helped with everything. I'm really happy with absolutely everything. My daughter had some treatment while I've been here. My son-in-law has, my son has as well, and they're all coming back to have the teeth done. So if you're going to come anywhere for your teeth in Turkey, choose Antlara. Everything you've helped me with and making me happy with my smile, because I was really conscious. I had a denture on the top, teeth weren't too good, but Antlara have just, don't know, I'm happy with the result I've got now, and so I'm back in December. I'm just going to be over the moon, I think, with the final treatment. So yeah, thanks very much.